Welcome back. So this is the part where I move straight to the section. That means the next thing that follows after our slider. Now what you need to do is to open section. We use a section tag. Okay. Now insert a div inside it. Now under these, add an ID to these. Now if you are wondering why am I giving the ID to the service, if you go straight to you need to go to our navigation to check it. This is it. That means once you click on this, it takes you straight to where you have the showcase. And service style, I need the background. Okay, URL, that means we want to locate where it is. Images bg.jpg. okay. Okay, let's say background size it's 100%. That means 100% width and 100% height. Okay, once you're done about that, you need to add an ID to this. About class container. Okay, well, we can leave the ID for now. Just write div class, that's all. Now inside this we need to add a page header. We need a div here as well. Div class is going to be page header. Okay, now we need to insert h2 text class text center. Okay, Sam's used cars. Okay, now once you're done with this, we want to insert padding, a p-text to this class. Okay, text center. Now we need to insert. Now let's quickly go to lorem ipsum so that we can fetch some text there. Okay, just want to copy some text here. Okay, now we can paste the text here. Okay, now once that is done, we need to the next time we're going to make use of rows. Now we are trying to use div. Okay, inside these we're going to have 4 more divs. Okay, now to avoid confusion, I would advise you space div class row. Okay, let's scroll down. Row. Now this, now there is a grid system in Bootstrap. It is 12 in number, so I'm going to make use of 33 for each div class. Div class is going to call md3. Okay, so inside these, everything here is going to be call md3 3. Okay, class, call md3, bring it down. Div class here is gonna be call md3. Okay, now once you do this, now what we need to do right here is we need to use a panel. Now we are going to make use of a panel here. Now we have a div. Now we need to add a class to this div. Sorry, panel primary. You can read about Bootstrap panels online. You'll see what I'm talking about. Now inside this div, now we need 3 more divs. 1, 2. Now if you ask me what are they meant for, we need the panel header, the panel body, and the panel footer. Good. So the div class here is gonna be panel heading. Okay. Inside this panel heading, I'm gonna add a h4 text. Yeah, we need a class of we need the text to be in the center. Okay. Now let's add BMW. Okay, then after this, I'm through with the panel header. Now the class here is gonna be called panel body. Okay, good. Now we're gonna add an image. Images cars BMW dot png. Okay, we need to add a width of 98%. Okay, sorry, since we use that, we don't need to put that there. 98%. Okay, class center black. Okay, now once that is done, we need to put h4 text as well. Class, this is also going to be text center. Okay, new in stock. Okay, now once you do that, now I'm thinking of adding a p tag there as well. Always remember to close the open tags. Now I'm going to add a class to this text center. Then we can now, let's go back to our lorem ipsum and copy some things here. Let's say it down to this place. Okay, paste. Now once you paste, or let me say this is too much. Okay, let's reduce this to the full stop we have here. Okay, now once that is done, we are through with the panel body. Now let's go straight to the panel footer. Now panel footer. Now everything has to be centralized. Button. Now button class built-in info. Okay. View gallery. Okay, good. Button. I think okay, let's check if what we have is correct. Okay, now let's quickly go and check our stuff here. Good. Now as we can see, this is okay, this is good. Now this is just the first button, sorry, the first panel which we have here, though it's not like what I promised, but don't worry, we are going to make it the same thing. But we can see what we are trying to drive at is just to get. Now to see what I'm talking about, can you see it works? Now once you click on home here, it takes you back to home. This takes you to showcase, and you can see what it entails here. Now the background also set, it's very clean and very fine. Okay, so let's go back to what we have now. tutorial will reduce